Hey, today's car radio is upgraded by a Hyundai Sonata. This is the packaging content of the product. This is a disassembly tool. Prepare according to the actual situation. Firstly, we will remove the silver panel on the left side. Next, remove the silver decorative panel on the right side. Here we unscrew these two screws, which are used to secure the key panel. We unplug the back and the pipe. Now we unscrew the two screws holding the main engine and remove the main engine. Unplug all the plugs on the back of the main engine. Unplug the power cord of the main engine, and then find the plug of the original car. Here we remove the air outlet from the key panel of the original car. Continue to loosen the two screws. Remove the air conditioning panel on the key panel of the original car. Then remove all the white tabs on the back of the original button panel. Then remove the double flash button of the original car. Now we will install the white buckle on our new product. Remove the new product double flash keyhole plate and install the original car double flash key. Install the removed air outlet on the back of our new product and fix it. Okay. The storage box in the center of the original car has not been removed. Now we will remove it. Now we insert the 4G antenna, RCA cable, USB cable into the back of the new product. Now we connect the power cord of the new product to the plug of the original car. Then connect the dual flash plug and camera cable with the other wires to the back of the new product. This is the AUX wire. We connect the AUX output on the power supply to the AUX input of the RCA wire according to color. Finally, we plug the power supply and GPS into the new product. Okay, let's put the new product on. Note that here we have to take out the two plugs and one pipe of the air conditioner. Now we'll connect all the plugs and pipes to the air conditioning board. Install it and fasten it with screws. Then install the air conditioning panel or side panel fittings. Install the silver panels on the left and right sides. Finally, we install the bottom panel of the air conditioning panel. The effect of the installation is displayed. Now let's learn the key of the lower control panel to facilitate our driving control. We enter the settings. Find the steering wheel buttons to learn and operate. We're gonna turn on the music and test the steering wheel buttons. Support video playback. Support radio automatic search station. The sound quality can be adjusted to your liking. Support GPS map navigation. You can also use Bluetooth phones, Bluetooth music. Of course, it also has Carplay Android-auto, where you can make calls, listen to songs, use maps to navigate, and more. Support for reverse image. It also has a day-night mode that you can control based on the car's lights. In addition, it has a lot of features. You can also long press the sidebar icon to change to your favorite app. That's all for the video. Thanks for watching.